Split Kick here, coming at you with another video. So guys, as most of you know, there's a hurricane called Irma, and I'm so unlucky in the state of Florida. I'm in the state of Florida. So guys, my grandma's right now. This is not my usual house. I'm at my grandma's and stuff. See guys, I'm at my grandma's, and it's a brick house. We boarded up some windows. I'm gonna go show y'all some of it right now. We boarded up some windows, and we did all that good stuff. I got a little bit of food on my mouth. We just ate dinner. Anyways, I'm gonna show y'all the boards that we got, and yeah, it's gonna be good. Let me get out of this gate. And I gotta go. Hold on, guys. I'm pause the video. Catch you later. Alright, guys, we're back. I'm gonna show y'all the boards. You see the boards? We boarded up this place right here. We boarded it up. Let's board it up. And we also boarded this window by here. And guys, this window right here. And this window right here. So they're all boarded up. We're ready for Irma. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe down below. I mean, I subscribe down below, but comment down below. Oh yeah, guys. That's what you should do. So yeah, guys, pray for me, man. Pray for me. And my sister, she's with me right now. Alright, guys, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you like, I'm going to be posting some new content up in the channel. So yeah, guys, and my mom is with me at here. Alright guys, like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel. Peace.